How to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account. Now, if you're going to be using your mobile device via the Facebook application, the process is going to be the same if you're also working or using your laptop or PC. Now, just simply open up any reliable web browser you have on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, what you want to type in is just simply recover disabled Facebook account. Choose on the very first result that will automatically be redirected you to Facebook's personal recovery. In here, just choose on what's this helpful, choose on no, and then just choose on the solution doesn't work and click on select. And here, this is where you can tell us about the issue more. And then please just do be specific in here why your Facebook just got disabled without any legitimate reasons. In here, once you hit on submit, you just have to wait for the customer service support in Facebook to get back to you for them to ask further requirements to make sure that they are communicating to the official account holder. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix permanently disabled Facebook account.